The Berlin Wall stood as a stark symbol of division, a physical barrier that tore through the heart of a city and a nation. For decades, it embodied the ideological chasm of the Cold War, a world split between East and West. This is the story of its rise, the lives it impacted, and its eventual, triumphant fall. In the early hours of August 13, 1961, the world awoke to a shocking reality. East German authorities began constructing a barrier, initially of barbed wire, then concrete, overnight. The swiftness and secrecy of its erection caught everyone by surprise, plunging Berlin into despair. Families were instantly separated, friends cut off, and a vibrant city was brutally cleaved into. Life under the shadow of the wall was a daily struggle, marked by constant surveillance and fear. Desperate escape attempts became a grim reality, with many risking everything for freedom. The Death Strip, a barren zone behind the wall, was a chilling testament to the regime's control. Yet, even in the darkest times, the spirit of resistance began to stir within East Germany. By the 1980s, growing unrest and calls for reform echoed through the streets. The Monday demonstrations in Leipzig became a powerful symbol of peaceful defiance. Thousands gathered, their voices rising in unison, demanding an end to the oppressive regime. The world watched as the tide began to turn, fueled by the courage of ordinary citizens. Then came November 9th, 1989, a day that would forever change history. During a press conference, Günter Schabowski mistakenly announced immediate travel regulations. His words, news spread like wildfire, igniting hope across East Berlin. Thousands began to converge on the border checkpoints, their hearts pounding with anticipation. The border guards, unprepared and overwhelmed, faced an impossible decision. Then, at Bornholmer Stræde, the barriers were lifted. A wave of humanity poured through, embracing loved ones they hadn't seen in decades. The air filled with cheers, tears, and the sound of history being made. People began to chip away at the wall, claiming pieces of history as souvenirs. The fall of the Berlin Wall was more than just a physical collapse. It was a symbolic triumph. It paved the way for German reunification, a dream once thought impossible. The Cold War, which had gripped the world for decades, began its swift and decisive end. Today, remnants of the wall stand as powerful memorials, reminding us of the past. They are a testament to the human spirit's enduring quest for freedom and unity. The fall of the Berlin Wall remains a beacon of hope, proving that peaceful protest can indeed change the world.